Okay students, I hope you are all well and healthy and ready to learn new things. So my name is Palak Patel. I am working in the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center Navsari in Civil Engineering Department. I am going to teach you the subject is design of reinforced concrete structures. In this subject we are going to learn design of water tank. Shall we start? So in this chapter, design of water tank, we have so many types of design like on the ground, on underground, elevated and intense tank. Okay. So now in this lecture, we are going to learn on the ground water tank or is rectangular shape. So shall we start? Here is an example. Okay students, so here is example 1. One is says there is a design of rectangular tank for the following data. First is the length of tank 6 meter, width of tank 4 meter, depth of water 3.5 meter and tank raised on ground is given. In this example asked in summer 2015 as well as winter 2018. So first of all we have to decide the dimension of the water tank. So we assume M30 grade of concrete and Fe4 grade of steel. Length and width is given. So length is 6 meter, width is 4 meter. Water depth is given 3.5 meter. So what we assume, we do a freeboard. We assume consider a freeboard 0.2 meter. So overall height of water tank is 3.7 meter. So height is 3.7 meter. Now we have to decide the type of design. Now which type of we have to going to design. So here is a L by B ratio is 6/4. Length or width ratio is less than 2. If L by B ratio is less than 2, then top portion of the wall will be designed as a continuous frame. Top portion of the wall will be designed as a continuous frame. So H is a top portion is a capital H by small h. So capital H by small h. So here, okay. And the bottom 1 meter is wall we design as a cantilever. So I will explain how to calculate this, how to understand this by. Okay. So here is a figure. You can see here is a black color is a wall. Okay. So here is a capital H. Capital H means a total height of wall. Capital H means a total height of wall. And small h is h by 4 or 1. H by 4 or 1, whichever is maximum. Whichever is maximum. So it's a small h will be h by 4 or 1 meter, whichever is maximum. Okay. So here is a L by B ratio. Here is a L by B ratio is less than 2. L by B ratio is less than 2. Means a wall, see, which is this height is capital H minus small h, means this top portion will be designed as a continuous portion. Will be designed as a continuous portion, right? But the bottom portion will be designed as a cantilever portion. Bottom small h portion will be designed as a cantilever portion. So I will explain how these things will be designed as a continuous and the second portion will be designed as a cantilever. So let's design. Understand these three things? Okay. Now we have to step to design constant. We have to find out some design constant. So first is the M30 grade of concrete. For the M30 grade of concrete, sigma CBC and sigma ST we have to find out. So sigma CBC from IS 456 2000 page number 81 table 21 and sigma ST for IS 3370 part 2 2009 table 4. Let's check this two data. So here is IS 456 2000, okay, table number 21 permissible stresses in concrete. So we have a grade of concrete is M30. So permeable stress in concrete sigma CBC is 10. So from this we can find out sigma CBC. So sigma st from IS 3370 table 4 permissible stresses in a steel reinforcement for a strength. So we have to read this tensile stresses in member under direct torsion, bending and shear. If plane reinforcement mid steel bar is 115 and for the highest strength deform bar is 130, right? So here is a 130 and 10. Sigma CBC is 10 and here is a 130. Sigma CBC and sigma ST. Now we have to find out some design constant which is M, K, J and Q. You have to remember these equations. So M is 280 by 3 into sigma CBC. 280 by 3 into sigma CBC. So M is 9.33. 283 into sigma CBC 10 we find out. So K is equation is M divided by sigma M into sigma CBC divided by M sigma CBC plus sigma ST. We found all the values. So is 0.418. J is 1 minus K by 3. So 0.861. So 1/2 sigma CBC K into J. So 1.80. So Q. So we found out all the constants here. Now we have to find out thickness of the wall. Thickness of the wall. So thickness of the wall we will find out by the water pressure at depth capital H minus small h. So P is equal to gamma W capital H minus small h. So P pressure at a depth is 27 kilonewton per meter square. Okay. Now capital H minus small h means we have to design this as a continuous frame. So we have to find out fixed end moment and use moment distribution method. Fixed end moment and moment distribution method. So fixed end moment is MFAB PL square by 12. P is 27. We find it. 6 is the length and 12. So minus 81. MFAD PB square by 12. 27 is a load and 4 is a length. So 37. How this happened? You can see here is a 6 and 4. So 6 is length and B is 4. So by this we found out fixed end moment. Now we have to find out distribution factor for a joint A. For a joint A. So member AB and AD. So K 4EI by 6. 4EI by 6 0.67 EI and 4EI by L 1 EI. Summation of both 1.67 EI. DF is equal to K divided by sigma K 0.4 divided by 0.6. So distribution factor for the AB member is 0.4 and for the AD member is 0.6. Now we have the moment distribution method. I hope you know how to distribute this moment. So 0.63, 63 is a final moment. Here is a calculation. Okay, we learn this. So bending moment at support 63 and bending moment at the center of the long span we have to find out by this equation PL square by 8 minus AMA. PL square by 8 is fixed end moment. Okay, so 27 into 6 minus 63, so 58.5 kilonewton per meter. Bending moment at center of the short span PB square by 8 minus 63, so 9 kilonewton into meter. Now we have to direct tension in a long wall. So P into B by 2 27 by 4 is a 54. The direct tension in the short wall P into L by 2 24 by 62 is 72. So direct tension in the long wall and short wall we have find out. Now we have the moment equation. M is equal to Q into BD square. What we do in this step, we are going to find out D, depth of the thickness of the wall. So M is find out 63 into 6. 63 into 6. So 1.80. Q is 1.80. We find out 1000 is width and D square. So D we find out and capital D we provide a cover effective cover 50 mm. So capital D is 300 mm. So wall thickness is 300 mm. Wall thickness is 300 mm. Now we are going to design a step 4, design of long wall. At support, we have to design a long wall at support. At support M is equal to 63 tension moment, T is a 54 modified moment 63 minus T into X. X is the moment will be changed because center of neutral axis will be there. because reinforcement location will be changed, so moment will be changed, so modified moment will be changed. So 63 minus 54 into 10, so m is equal to moment is equal to 57.6. So by this moment and tension we have to design a reinforcement. So AST for a moment, m divided by sigma st into j into d. This is the equation we have to remember this. So AST for a moment, so AST is 2058.42 and AST2 for the direct tension, T by sigma st, T is a tension is given, so 415.38 mm square. So total AST required is summation of both value, right? So 2473.80 mm square. So by this SP60 we can find out provide 20 mm diameter at 120 mm center to center as support in a horizontal direction on liquid phase. On remote phase provided minimum AST 0.24%, right? Negative moment means a tension on the liquid phase at center. Now we are going to provide at center. So m is equal to 53, t is again same method, add support, same method, just change in the moment, you can see here, look at here, equation is same, but just change in the moment, and then after. So our long wall design is completed. Now we have the distribution still. So PT minimum is 24%, right? Distribution still. So D is a calculated reinforcement divided equal on the both faces. Distribution still provided equally on the both faces. So 300 is a thickness. So 300 by 2 is equal to 150 mm. So AST provide for the 150 mm is 360 mm square for the one face and 360 mm square for the second face. So provide 10 mm diameter at 210 mm center to center on the one face, and same for the second face on the vertical direction. Same step for the design of short wall, same equation, there is no changes. So design of short wall will be same. Okay, now we are going to design the cantilever action at the bottom portion. Okay, we are going to design the cantilever action of bottom portion. So pressure H is given, bending moment. Okay, here is a you can see this figure. We are completely designed for the 2.7 meter, means this design is completed. Now we are going to design this bottom portion for 1 meter. So we are going to find out 1 meter for the moment here. For the 1 meter we are going to find out moment. So pressure at a base gamma W into H, total height into density gamma W into H. So P is equal to 10 into 3.7. So pressure we find out, but the bending moment is at h by 3, small h by 3. So 1/2 into gamma W into capital H into small h by 3. So by this we can find out the moment is 6.616 kilonewton into meter. Small h is 1 meter. So tension on liquid phase. So AST same equation here. Which equation? Here. M divided by sigma st into j into d. So this equation used for the find out AST. But AST minimum is 360 mm square. Why? Because 0.24% still is minimum. So 360 mm square is minimum. So we found 220. So it's neglected and we use 360 mm square for the design. So provide 10 mm dia to 10 mm center to center. Same for the base slab, provided minimum 200 mm, 0.24%. So provided 8 mm dia at 200 mm center to center on both face. Provided minimum thickness is 200 mm is a fix, right? So our design is completed. Now we are going to draw some graph. Here is a 6 meter length and there is a 4 meter length. So it is a reinforcement along 6 meter as well as 4 meter. Here is a here is a at the support and here is a center. Okay, I write it here. At a center, long wall 20 mm dia, 130 mm center to center for the short wall, as well as at support and distribution steel. So our design is completed for the one example. So our design example is completed. Now here is a practice example. A rectangular water tank open at top, resting on ground, having size 3.5 meter, 7.2 meter and 3.5 meter. Here is a dimension is given. A design of short wall and use M30 FE415 as well as design a long wall, design base slab and draw detailed plan and section of a water tank showing all the dimensions and reinforcement. Showing all the dimensions and the reinforcement, right?